that ability to find talent for your company has been something that I've personally experienced. And so, as both an educator and someone in industry, recognizing, well, where do you find people who know something about solar cells or passionate about it? The source of those kind of people entering the workforce tend to be students, either from the universities with bachelor's degrees or PhDs or masters, or they might be students coming out of high school, for example. So what I've seen is the power that companies can have in influencing students' careers, where sometimes it might just be a single visit from someone like the CEO of Sonova to UT to give a talk about solar and what the job opportunities are, can influence at least a few students to change career trajectories and go into the solar industry, for example.
Having led Solar Austin as its inaugural executive director for a few years, and our primary program there was the Pathways to Clean Energy Careers program. So working with local colleges and universities to place students in internships. So as you all may recall, 2021, 2022, arguably to present, the solar industry is going through changes. So we had a lot of our partner companies locally in Texas that were like, we just don't have the head count for an intern right now. We're doing layoffs or we have hiring freezes. Like, this is just not the thing. But we need more installers, literally always. So with that, we launched a bit of an offshoot through Solar Austin, focused really on trades training, but still with our internships in mind.
Why does this all matter, right? So I'm guessing a lot of you are here today because we face an absolutely unprecedented scaling of the industry, as Ryan earlier illustrated. This means we need to rapidly grow our workforce in an environment where employers are already telling us that one of your top challenges is attracting and retaining talent. And we need more skilled workers and we need them fast. So online training definitely plays a key role in providing on-demand, technically accurate content that's developed with, subject matter expert input, expert validation to a broad audience at scale. Certainly in certain circumstances and for certain types of learners, it could be the sole solution they need. But more likely, and especially in the case of onboarding new or transitioning workers, online training is really more effective as one element of a comprehensive training program that includes things like mentorship and hands-on or experiential learning.
I mean, one thing that NABCEP is always continuously being praised for is the quality of training at the NABCEP conference. And I realized that unlike other conferences in the industry where you can get a free show pass and get on the show floor for free, but then you have to pay $75 for this training or $150 for that training. All of NABCEP's training is free. And speaking with my board recently, one of the things we're hearing from people that we survey and talk to on a daily basis is it's getting so expensive to pay for training. And training since the COVID have gone up so much. Now we haven't gone through and talked to providers to sort of see if the data backs that up. But we were talking about how can we get free training, as much free training out to people as possible so that they're getting access to not only manufacturers trainings, but all the technical side as well, so that they're doing best practice and whatever.